Hey, what's up? This is Brandon with Light Bright Cuts. Just wanted to do a video here, doing a barber station tour. Before we get into that, just wanted to give you guys a full glimpse of my barber studio that I have set up inside my house. Just a quick little glance around, sitting area, hair products I sell, drink station. Have my large fish tank here, saltwater aquarium that my clients see when they're getting a cut. So that's big main focal point in the room. This nice beautiful tank here. Got my AC unit, TV, and my Keller Salon gold chair. And here is my barber station. So let's go ahead and dive into this. All right, to start it off, I have my barber station here, and I got this stand here off of Amazon. Came with this bottom piece here, has a drawer, another drawer, one little storage area down there, and has this shelf here, and it came with the mirror as well. So I got all this, and it's a pretty decent shelf. I did add a couple shelves on top of it on the wall just to give myself some more space. If I could, I probably would go back and actually buy one of them toolboxes that they sell, just because it has more space overall, and it also has a lot more shelf space up top. So I'm kind of limited a little bit here, so you can see there's things that I've added on to this just to give myself more space. So starting out, we'll jump into the clipper lineup. On the right here, I have a wall magic clip, cordless, that I've converted over to a balding clipper. So I've got the wall balding blade that I put on there, and this is actually one of the best things you can do because it's going to save you time on balding out, and then it's actually going to save you your trimmers from using your trimmers all the time. Next up, I have the wall senior cordless, and I've modified this a little bit. I got the 245 battery in there. I got a ceramic blade on there, and then just a transparent green cover. So great clipper that I use. And then these three here is my Babyliss trio. So Babyliss Gold FX, great clipper. Have the taper blade on there. And then I have my Babyliss Gold FX trimmers and my Babyliss Gold FX foil shaver. Over here I also have my Andis Slimline Pros that I've golded out, and I have a Wall Retro T-Cuts that I have as well. Have the Babyliss Pro massager. I think it's called the Vibe FX. So I use that, and then I just have a gold little thing here that I put all my combs, my shears, everything in. It just helps save some space for me. And then I have my disposal, so I can put my old razor blades in there. I have a couple brushes and sponge brushes and dusters and so on and so forth. This is my color and enhancement area that I store all my stuff. I use the Tune 45 is the color enhancements that I use, and also use some fibers as well. If I'm tinting eyebrows, I have a tint kit as well. And I used to use some of this semi-permanent hair dye, but that was before I started using the Tune 45. And just up here I have my when I'm doing facials, just all my little facial tools that I use, and then all the things that I use for facials as well. As far as up here, I love using the Marmara aftershave cologne. This stuff is great smelling. I actually really rock with this stuff, been getting all of them. And then got the little pack back here that has all the different scents, so I can see which ones I like the most. But right now my favorite is the number one. And I got my liquid razor, just helps me with the lineups, and then just different products that I have here that I use. you guys don't know already, you gotta go check out that Crown Wave pomade. Best pomade in the game. And then, like I say, just some of the products that I use here. Alrighty, and aside from that, just got a regular little blow dryer, and then I've got my Barbicide that I got inside this jar there, and then I also use the wall premium guards. So aside from that, got the station down here for my hot towels that I use. So this does a great job. I can usually store about 8 hot towels in there. That's about as much as they'll hold, 8 one. And a little trash can, and my when I get done with my towels, I throw the old ones in there and then wash them at the end of the day. Keep all my supplies and stuff down there, and a hat that a client left over, waiting on him to come pick that up when he books his next appointment. And just a little over here, the little seat, booster seat for the kids. And mounted on the wall, I have my ring light. I wind up going with the wall mount version of this because it just saves space. I had it before where you buy it normally and it was on the ground and it would just kind of get in the way. So having it mounted on the wall really saves space and helps me out. And then just got a broom, dustpan over there to sweep and clean up. Got a couple of my capes here. It's where I hang up some of my capes. Losing cape, and then a couple other ones that I have here. Aprons, smocks, and my mask, and so on and so forth. But that's pretty much it. That is my barber station there. If you guys got any questions, hit me up, let me know, drop a comment down below, and please like, comment, and subscribe.